Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu, then locate clock and tap on it. Choose alarms and tap on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, click description and label your alarm. Then click on alarm sound and pick one of the options. When you're done, click OK. Tap on repeat and choose Monday to Friday, everyday or custom. When you click custom, you can pick days of the week. Then click OK. Now tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations. When you're done, click done. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the green icon next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!